My name is Nathan Garrett. I'm the currently 2010 Junior World Swan Calling Champion and the 2010 South Carolina State Junior Duck Calling Champion. This call is a double reed timber call, and it's Alan personally customized it for me to use in a live duck calling contest or a meat calling contest. And it's basically, when you try and do that at the calling contest, you try and imitate like mallards feeding and just going crazy out in the field. And I got into calling at an early age of about 5 years old when I was hunting divers on the Pamlico Sound. And I got into competition calling probably about 3 years ago. And my mentor, Alan Blevin, he kind of helped me guide through it. Very few people can actually do the mouth goose calling. It's kind of a North Carolina heritage thing, and not many people can do it. Basically, what I'm trying to do is imitate a Canada goose, feeding in the air, whatever. Like, I'll be going to Stuttgart, Arkansas for the Junior World Duck Calling Championship. Then I go up to Easton, Maryland to do the World Live Duck Calling Contest. It's a lot of heritage in swan hunting in eastern North Carolina, like Lake Mesquite's big, and Currituck Sound, all through there. It gives you a good recognition and a good name, and it makes you become a better, skillful, and successful hunter.